Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start now by positioning your team and activating anti-regeneration items. Don't wait. Assign one player to trigger wall aggro while others hold back to test regen rate. Use short bursts of damage to confirm the wall's heal thresholds and note the timing so you can plan rotation windows. Once done, place a decoy or deployable to bait reinforcements and make sure to keep cooldowns staggered. Communicate the first 3 seconds of engagement clearly so everyone reacts in sync. Now shift into sustained pressure. Maintain a tight rotation so the wall never completes a full regen cycle. Concentrate all high damage abilities on one segment until it falls, because splitting damage lets the wall recover. Support players should apply persistent wound effects or regeneration suppression. If you lack those, extend burst windows with temporary damage buffs. Once a node is down, quickly resequence targets and redistribute crowd control to delay incoming minions, and keep verbal cues to coordinate each burst. Finish by timing a synchronized all-in when the wall's regen timer dips. Tell players to use ultimates and consumables now. Immediately prioritize disabling or destroying any regeneration cores you uncover, then secure exits in case you must extract fast. If the wall unexpectedly reconstitutes, don't panic. Fall back behind a choke, reapply crowd control, and reset your staggered cooldown rotation within 10 seconds. Troubleshoot by checking who missed a trigger. Reassess positioning and try the engagement again with one adjusted roll.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.